Looking to improve student attendance and perseverance? Need a better way to be fully engaged with your students? Aztec Lecture allows instructors to extend learning beyond the classroom walls by delivering live lessons to students on the Aztec platform and/or recording lessons for presentation on demand. Instructors can create dynamic, virtual instructional experiences for their students with any curriculum materials, accessible anytime, anywhere, and on any device. The growing need for assignable on-demand instruction and distance learning flexibility requires teachers to meet their students where they are, at a time that works best for student schedules, and in a virtual environment. Lecture allows instructors to utilize any content, including Aztec's digital, print, or EPUBs, to provide online instruction, conduct student orientations, hold one-on-one or group tutoring sessions, provide student counseling, conduct professional development, conduct career workshops, or polls to assess learner mastery. Lecture provides the technology needed for instructors to conduct lessons from any location while maintaining the highest levels of curriculum integrity and instructional best practice. Students can log on to Aztec Lecture from any device and participate in live, real-time instruction, or view pre-recorded lessons with optional picture-in-picture of the instructor. Lecture offers a flexible environment to ensure continuity of academic services and communication from the instructor to individual students and groups. Teachers and administrators can log on to Aztec Lecture from any location, on any device, at any time to be fully engaged with students. Give instructors the tools and flexibility they need to build student confidence and preparedness for academic success. Contact Aztec Software about Lecture today